Welcome to this tutorial on element-wise addition in NumPy. Element-wise addition is one of the most fundamental arithmetic operations you'll use when working with NumPy arrays. It allows you to efficiently add arrays together, which is essential for data analysis, scientific computing, and machine learning applications. Element-wise addition is the process of adding corresponding elements from two arrays to create a new array of the same shape. This means that the first element of one array is added to the first element of another array, the second element to the second element, and so on. The result is a brand new array where each position contains the sum of the elements at that position from both input arrays. Let's visualize how this works with a simple example. When we add the array containing 1, 2, 3 to the array containing 4, 5, 6, we get a result array containing 5, 7, 9. Notice how 1 plus 4 equals 5, 2 plus 5 equals 7, and 3 plus 6 equals 9. Each position is added independently. The syntax for element-wise addition in NumPy is incredibly simple. First, you import NumPy as NP. Then, you can add two arrays together using the plus operator. Just write array 1 plus array 2, and NumPy automatically performs element-wise addition. The result variable will store your new array containing the sums. Here's a complete working example. We create array containing the values 1, 2, 3 using np.array. Then we create array b containing 4, 5, 6. When we add a plus b and print the result, we get an array with 5, 7, 9. This demonstrates how straightforward element-wise addition is in NumPy. Element-wise addition works with multi-dimensional arrays too. Here we have two 2x2 matrices. Matrix 1 contains the values 1, 2 in the first row and 3, 4 in the second row. Matrix 2 contains 5, 6 in the first row and 7, 8 in the second row. When we add them together, we get 6, 8 in the first row and 10, 12 in the second row. Each element is added to its corresponding element in the same position. Let's review the key points about element-wise addition. First, arrays must have the same shape or compatible dimensions for broadcasting. Second, it's a fast operation because NumPy uses vectorized computation, which is highly optimized. Third, addition happens element by element, meaning each position adds independently. Finally, element-wise addition creates a new array, so your original arrays remain unchanged. To summarize, element-wise addition is a fundamental NumPy operation that combines arrays position by position using the simple plus operator. It's efficient, intuitive, and works with arrays of any dimension. Now you're ready to use element-wise addition in your own NumPy programs. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.